And this nigga say he don't snore. Really? Oh, God. This is what you do. I need move. That shuts him up.